Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let me pick out a few cards from each deck. We'll see what is coming up. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. Knight of Cups. King of Swords. So with these cards, Capricorn, I feel some good news is coming your way. Maybe your friend is coming with some kind of announcement, or your person, and you're feeling happy and content with how things are going. Okay, that is the energy here. Maybe in your work, you may be getting some kind of promotion, or some kind of approval regarding your work, your position. You may be getting a promotion in your position, so that may also be the energy here, guys. And some friends may be visiting you today, and after a long time, who will bring you gifts, okay, or something you like. That may also be the energy here. And this may be a destined connection, guys. Some a twin flame or a soulmate connection in your relationship, this person. And in your relationship, you may be, you may want to propose to your person, or your person is coming towards you, they want to propose to you, or they may bring some important news. Okay, they may be moving in with you, or taking this relationship forward, okay, accepting your proposal, or something good, guys. Something positive is happening, Capricorn. That is the energy here. Let me pick out a few more cards from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up. You're feeling very emotionally content, guys. That is the energy here. You're feeling really happy how things are going. So we have a bouquet, tree, with these cards. I feel um, you're getting counsel from somebody regarding your situation, some kind of advice regarding some financial decisions, or in your life decisions regarding your relationship, some friend or someone from your family, or someone from your work who has a good what to say who has goodwill in you, who has a good rapport with you, is advising you today. That is the energy here. And you are taking this relationship forward, guys. You want a permanent commitment with this person. You have a good compatibility with this person, and you want a stable relationship with them. So you want to take this relationship forward. Maybe this is your energy, or this is your person's energy. They want a good relationship with you, because they're happy, they feel very intimate, connected with you in this relationship. That is the energy here, guys. So you are full of confidence, happiness, clarity, That is also the energy here, Capricorn. So whatever you wished for is coming to manifest, guys. So you are getting a clear understanding of the situation and you are taking it forward. Okay, you have made your choice, you're happy and feeling content in this relationship. That is the energy here, guys. Or they are happy and they are feeling content in this relationship, guys. So that is the energy for you, Capricorn. So all positive cards here. Let me pick out one more card, guys, from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up. Okay, it's an angel card, guys. So you are just enjoying the beauty of your relationship, okay, and you're feeling very much inspired today, looking at how things have fallen into place, and you are just appreciating the present, okay. Whatever is happening in your life, you are just aware of it and you're just happy for it, and you're feeling very much inspired, okay. And maybe some of you all are taking up something creative. It is just this happiness is just unlocking your creative side. Maybe you're dancing in joy, maybe singing, maybe taking up some kind of activity that is just expressing your happiness, okay. That is also the energy here, Capricorn. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Capricorn. Bye. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading, guys.